Preparing for the PMI-CPMAI exam? This guide breaks down the key domains and study strategy you need. The PMI-CPMAI certification is for leaders who manage AI initiatives, not for engineers who build models. It's for project managers, product leaders, and consultants connecting AI to business value. The exam is built around the CPMAI methodology, covering the entire life cycle. Framing business needs, ensuring data readiness, overseeing model development, and managing operationalization. It's about ensuring AI projects deliver measurable results and are governed responsibly. This framework is your guide to success. Before you begin, understand the exam structure. The current format includes 120 questions in 160 minutes with no scheduled breaks. 100 questions are scored, while 20 are unscored pre-test items mixed throughout. A key requirement is completing the official 21-hour PMI-CPMAI exam prep course before you can schedule your test. The good news is that PMI requires no prior project management or technical AI experience, making it accessible for leaders transitioning into AI-focused roles. Where should you focus your study time? The exam weights provide a clear map. 2 domains: identify business needs and solutions, and identify data needs. Each account for a massive 26% of your score. This tells you the exam prioritizes business value and data feasibility. Many AI projects fail, not because of a bad model, but because of a poorly defined use case or an inadequate data foundation. Mastering these 2 areas is critical for your success on the exam. Responsible AI is not just a side topic, it's a core competency. This domain is 15% of the exam, but its principles are woven throughout the entire test. You'll need to understand concepts like privacy, security, transparency, bias mitigation, and regulatory compliance. For scenario questions, the best answer often improves project governance or reduces harm before it improves model performance. Always ask what decision needs an audit trail or which stakeholder needs an explanation to guide your choice. The exam is structured around the 6-phase CPMAI methodology, which emphasizes an iterative approach. This is an adjustment for traditional project managers used to locking in scope early. AI projects are inherently uncertain. Data quality and model behavior can all force a change in plans. The PMI-CPMAI exam favors agile delivery with clear go, no-go decision points at each phase, rather than a blind commitment to an initial idea. Your ability to manage this uncertainty is key. Your exam strategy needs to be efficient. With 160 minutes for 120 questions, you have about 80 seconds for each. Use a 2-pass method. On your first pass, answer the questions you know and flag longer scenarios. On the second pass, tackle the flagged items by identifying the CPMAI phase and the core decision being tested. Remember, the exam is vendor agnostic. Focus on mastering the methodology and governance principles, not on memorizing specific technical tool names or brands. Now that you understand the structure and focus of the PMI-CPMAI exam, you can build a targeted study plan. Don't just read about the concepts, put them into practice. Use our free practice questions and in-depth study guide to test your knowledge, identify your weak areas, and get comfortable with the exam's timing and question formats. Click the link in the description to access all our resources and start preparing to pass your exam.